It's FNAF Gang here hosting the channel Boots the Cat. And, well, always with starring Boots. But today our guests are Molly and Seka. So that's Seka. That is Seka. I don't know what she's doing. Seka, here. Seka, here. Seka, Ripper. Seka, get out of there. Okay, so I introduced Seka. Now, Molly, and Seka. So this is Molly. Molly here. Come here, Molly. Here. So that's Molly. And that's Seka and Molly playing. So, yeah, ow, these mosquitoes. So, yeah. Seka. Hi, Seka. So, we got Seka and we have Molly. So, yeah. That's the two. Here, Molly and Seka. Molly and Seka. Come on, Molly. Hi, Molly. Molly, let's go. Come on, Molly. Come on, Molly. Come on. This way. Whoa. Woo. Molly, you are so fast. Molly, you're too quick. You're too quick for me. But yeah, this is one of Boots' good friends, Molly. Well, this is FNAF Gang, the host of Boots the Cat, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.